Welcome to today's proposal, a remarkable 1.5-acre parcel situated directly alongside a river. The property boasts over 300 feet of government road frontage with river flowing adjacent to the road access. The plot features comprehensive perimeter fencing. The impressive frontage is marked by cement poles spanning over 100 feet, and the entire plot boasts premium soil quality, ideal for 100% organic farming. The current market rate stands at 2 lakh per guntha, translating to across 80 lakhs per acre. The entry point begins at the signboard and extends to the cement pole markers. While the 1.5-acre plot must be purchased as a whole, it presents an excellent opportunity for joint investment by 3 or 4 partners. The property comes equipped with electricity access, and the water table is accessible at just 30 to 40 feet, thanks to the proximity to the river. Now let's explore the interior. The plot is naturally divided into 2 sections, an upper and a lower portion. The lower section, previously used for rice cultivation, features moisture-retained soil, ideal for vegetable farming. Despite months without rainfall, the ground retains significant moisture, a testament to the land's agricultural potential. Notice the mature coconut trees at the rear, marking a well-developed resale farmhouse property. The infrastructure includes complete perimeter fencing and established trees. Regarding connectivity, the road accommodates regular traffic with ST buses services every 2 hours and readily available local auto transport. Essential amenities within 2.5 kilometers include medical facilities, a government ATM, both regular and Jain temples. The lower section maintains active rice cultivation, and most importantly, the entire plot is free from rocky terrain. The property's layout is nearly square, featuring dual entry points, one through the gated community's internal road network and another one directly from the government road on the eastern boundary. The plot offers both west and south facing aspects, allowing flexible gate placement options. The land features 7 to 8 varieties of mature wild trees, maintain a consistent grade, and offers excellent water access. For those interested in location specifics, the property lies within 1.5 hours from Mumbai and just 20 kilometers from Khopoli, Imagika. The complete 1.5-acre parcel is available at 2 lakh per guntha, and there is some room for negotiation. For daily property updates across various location and price points, please subscribe to our channel. Your dream property might just be a video away. Thank you for joining for today's property tour. We welcome your thoughts and inquiries. Thank you.